Good morning, guys. It is Christmas Eve morning and I am just getting ready. Actually, it's like 11 o'clock. I'm just getting ready for the day. We're gonna head over to my mom's house and just do a little mini Christmas, and then we will go out to Tate's parents' house tonight and stay the night there. So we figured we'd bring you guys along with us. Tate is out getting a couple last minute things. He's Coda's bed that we usually bring with. It worked really well whenever we would drive Tate's truck everywhere, so like to fit in there. But in my car it doesn't fit quite right, so we just need to get a little bit of a smaller one so that he doesn't sit up so high because we fold the seats down for him. We'll show you the setup of what we're gonna do. So he is picking up a smaller bed that just like fits better in my car, and because we have about a 2-hour drive. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready here and then we'll pack up because we're gonna stay down there. It's really messy back there. I didn't feel like cleaning because we already have so much that we need to do yet today. And then yeah, we'll just take you guys along with us. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish getting ready, then we'll go pack up and get on the road. So be back in a bit.
What are you doing?
I heard you singing, so I had to grab. Okay, Coda, this is part of your Christmas present. This is part of your Christmas present.
Look at this. We'll call this a Christmas present too.
I just said that. This is part of your Christmas present.
Well, let's see what she did.
Oh, it's so cold in here. It's only 43 degrees in the garage. Well, I figured we're gonna lay part of, we'll have one side laid of the thing laid down.
Yeah, what?
Well, I figured we'd have one part of the seats pushed down.
Here, back up, buddy.
You can't get in yet, just wait. You want me to pop the seat down?
Put that blanket on. That is where she's at.
Yep.
Then he won't be up nearly as high.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And then we can leave that one like that, and he can crawl over there if he wants to just sit on or something.
Yeah, I think that'll be good.
Yeah.
And this is so much lighter than his other one.
Yeah. Cool. It's orthopedic, bud. Go back by Daddy. I bet he'll let you jump up in there. Go back by Daddy. Go to Dad.
No,
Or we'll just wait,
that
actually.
label off.
Yeah. We'll come back and we'll get it situated in a little bit. I'm gonna keep getting ready. Okay, so I'm going super, super casual. I just have on this, just like tee. But it's just the mailman. Some jeans. And then I'm gonna wear my like Sorel booties that I wear a lot. And then I have this like jacket that I'm gonna put over it and call it good. You're fine, bud. Shoot, we almost forgot to pack your Christmas jammies. You better get your Christmas jammies. That was Christmas jammies, and then his like little reindeer parka. Put those in your bag. This is Coda's bag. Tate's packing up the car now. Coda's freaking out. He's panting like crazy. Told him to relax, but he won't listen. Hey, back it up. So I'm just gonna shove those in there. I'm not gonna pull them. Why is that tongue hanging way out? You're 5 years old now. You don't do that when you're 5. 5-year-olds don't cry.
What's
that's food.
Okay.
Tate's wearing a cute little scarf.
Leave me alone.
It's adorable. Does anybody else's houses get
So
like?
I'm getting through Christmas.
Oh boy.
I'll pull it.
Does anybody else's houses get like destroyed for Christmas?
What is this thing?
That yeah.
Oh, the video.
Yeah, video will be up till after. These
Why
are
do I feel like your family has way more cool stuff? Actually, I'm gonna slightly reconfigure this. I'm gonna do my bag.
and the wine can just kind of go with like the food.
Yep.
Calm it down, Coda. We're gonna have a good day.
I hope you enjoy.
Alright, so we got the car loaded. It's pretty full. Bless you. Show you guys the setup here. We're ready to take off. We have some more presents down there.
Alright, Coco, come here.
And there. And then we have this bed here. We put a blanket down so that if he goes over to that side. And then we have a pillow there to kind of give him some cushioning. I think this will be good. I think he'll like it. I almost wonder, he doesn't need a blanket on his little bed, does he?
No.
No, no, no.
He's got plenty of blanquitos. Alright, Weasel. Load up. Coda, come here.
Go to Daddy's side.
Come here. You got this. You got this, buddy. Come here.
He's going around the front of the car. He's not gonna be able to get through. Oh. Good boy.
Good boy.
You wanna come up on your bed? Come up on your bed.
Here, I'm just gonna close this door. You can figure it out.
I'm gonna shut this door and you can go up on the bed too. Yep, you can go up on your bed.
He's like, I might just sit here. Guys.
I literally wear these boots all the time. These are probably one of my better purchases. They are like, the brand is Sorel, but they're cute because you can wear them like dressed up. You can wear them with sweatpants. They're just like so easy. They're my go-to boots to wear in the winter time.
You get a lot of compliments on those boots too.
What?
You get a lot of compliments on those boots.
I do. Alright.
Excited, buddy?
The worst part about leaving on Christmas Eve is knowing you come back to the disaster that you left.
Hey, ponytail. Look out!
You need a ponytail?
Well, I got one, but literally one.
We gotta get in. Coda's probably worried. He's probably like, you guys leaving me in here all day by myself?
You're staying here, buddy. Take what?
There he is.
Looks so prim and proper back there.
You do. How about you hop up on your bed?
He's like, I'm sure. Well, just
Right here. You can come up there. Once we get going, I bet you will. Hopefully. Coda, Santa Claus is coming to town tonight, Coda. Coda, Santa Claus is coming to town tonight. He's coming. He's coming tonight. And he's gonna bring you some presents. Are you so excited? We're gonna go make a pit stop at
Best Buy.
Best Buy. So that's where we're going now. Oh my gosh, I hate winter. Why did it have to snow? Ugh, gross. I hate snow. Me and Coda are just waiting. I just thought it was kind of funny. We have two kinds of people. Me, sunflower seeds. Tate, fruit snacks. What are you? Are you a salty person or sweet? I'll choose salty any day. Also, I was gonna vlog a little bit here, but Tate parked right in front of a car that has a family waiting in it as well. So there's like a mom and the kids sitting in the car right in front of me. And Tate, yeah, thanks Tate.
I knew it was weird when I started listening to all this. What are you doing?
Why are you spinning around?
Okay, stand up straight.
No, Coda.
Coda, leave her be. Coda, get away. Let her.
I should really put shoes on because she keeps running into my feet with it. Here, okay, stop. Stand up straight.
I'm just standing here and it's moving.
You're not doing that?
It hurts.
Oh, you.
It was uneven.
Maybe not aiming towards the TV.
Yeah, don't even.
Alright, let me just get.
Do you
I just
need me
need
to hold it for you?
I just need to get in.
You need to get it in the spot where there's that slope, then it'll just take
Oh
you.
yeah.
Coda, watch out, bud.
Take it up.
It doesn't just like take off, does it?
Is there a different mode?
Is there do the wheels lock?
That seemed a little intense.
That sounds like it should be for 10 it up.
Is your heart racing a little, Tate?
Cass, you should try going on the electric scooter I went on when I was 7. My Aunt Natalie sent siren into our
Step
house.
on one foot, then quickly step on the second foot.
No way.
Second.
Yeah.
I guess.
I'll be right back.
Coda, Gizmo does not like that.
Go forward a little.
You're supposed to stand upright but relaxed.
Don't hit the ceiling with your head.
And lean slightly in the direction you want to go. Don't make any sudden or jerky movements.
Boy, yeah.
So that swinging of his arms probably is what.
That little lift there, one.
We're gonna put on Coda's Christmas jammies.
Alright, buddy, you ready for this? There's his butt. You do his back legs first?
No, his face.
Face first?
I think.
Okay. Okay, there's your head. You need your paw?
Good boy.
Other paw?
Good boy.
Okay.
You look so Christmassy.
Back paw.
You have to pick the back paw up for him. He doesn't know how to lift up his own back paw.
And this back paw.
Christmas jammies, Christmas jammies.
Now you're a Christmas Coda.
Coda, are you gonna be a farm dog? You being a farm doggy? Coda, what is that? What is this, Coda? What is this? Coda, Coda, Coda. 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 What is this? Right here. What is that? Sniffing the trees? Your grandpa's over there with the tractor. Hey, don't pee on that little baby Christmas tree. Don't pee on that baby Christmas tree. Coda, Coda. Coda. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Coda. 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 Hi, Jackie. Good boy, Coda. You're being nice to Jackie. Usually you jump all over her. Right, Jackie? Right. Usually he jumps all over you and he's a big bully. Hey, Coda, stay over here, bud. Stay over here. Jackie, Jackie, Jackie! Coda. Oh, Jackie, I know. Coda, be nice to her. I know. Come on, let's go this way. Coda, Coda, Jackie. Come on. Coda. Come here, guys. Jackie, Coda, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This way. Coda. Coda. Oh, hi there. Coda, stay. What happened to Tulsa's tail?
What happened to this gate?
Coda, stay. Stay.
You okay, buddy?
Coda. Good boy. He licked its nose.
Hey, buddy.
Good boy. Coda, stay. Stay here.
Leave them horses be. Hey, pony. Hey, pony.
Calm. Tate, Tate, Tate.
That horse will bite you, Coda. If you think you can bite, he'll bite harder. How's that water, Bo? Careful, Coda. He'll drool on you.
Coda looks so tiny next to him. Coda, Daddy. Hey, stay. Coda. Coda, come here. Go in here. Let's go see what Daddy's got.
Where the hell is the corn barrel? There's no corn barrel in here.
You don't get any Christmas snacks?
There's usually a big barrel full of corn for him. No. That's my kayak under there. Way back down under there. She's going. I made this
Hi,
saddle
Jackie.
there.
You made it?
Yep, when I was young. I made that one. I made another one.
Coda. Coda.
Well, I didn't
Be
make
nice to her.
kayaks around. No, there's no Christmas corn.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in
We just got home and now we're gonna just play this game that I found for Tate. He's not really impressed with it, but it's called Stuff Happens. So you put down 3 cards and it gives the misery index. So lost wallet 40.5, stranded during a flood 68.1, and major earthquake 77. And then I just drew a card and it says, are you mugged? So now Tate has to place, or you are mugged. Tate has to place where that goes in this lineup. You're right. That means you get to keep the card.
Wow. Now what?
No, I get to go. All right, now we put these away.
And now it's all a new one?
Yeah, and then, cause
Okay.
I think the next person that is new. No, you lay those out.
Please break into your house mistakenly. A little too
Ooh,
real.
Look at the police is knocking them out.
Pen explodes in your mouth.
Ooh. But yeah, it's not bad, but it's
6-hour flight behind crying baby. That's worse. I'd rather be mugged.
okay.
Okay, now your error loses big game. And the picture is like, close your eyes. Dropping a ball at a baseball game. Your error costs your team to lose a big game. Where's that gonna go?
Okay.
Is that worse than being clubbed in the head?
No,
What about worse than a crying at baby?
not in my opinion.
Was it worse than a pen in your mouth?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Wrong.
What?
Yeah, you lost by 0.1. That blows.
Lame. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna keep playing. Alright, bye. What?
You got the PG-13 one.
Well, I didn't know.
Stuff happens for ages 13 and up. It's for children.
I thought like it could be fun. It's not that fun, you guys. We just played like 2 rounds. And Tate, so I got Tate that game. And then Tate got me darts. So
We're gamers, big time.
we were turning into a family game house. We're prepping for kids.
That's right. Kids can't use a dartboard till they're like 10.
And they can't play my game until 13. Coda's having a rough time. He, his new bed didn't really go over so well in the car. He didn't really like it, so he refused to sleep on it, or sit on it even for that matter. So he just panted the whole way and was super anxious. We got home, he had a little treat, and then he instantly puked all over. So now he's feeling pretty down, pretty disappointed in himself, but it's alright. Happens to the best of us, bud.
We still love you, buddy.
He's probably gonna be out for the next day or 2.
Yep. You know, you did sleep at the farm quite a bit today.
He did, but he also, can you tell everybody what you did, Coda?
You played with the horses.
You played with the horses. We have video of that. You chased kitties. I think I got that too. And then one thing we didn't get on camera, thank goodness, but we're gonna tell everybody. You ate cow poop. Yeah, that wasn't okay.
You spit it out though, right?
You did. I said, no, don't do it. And then he spit it out and he came running over to me and gave me a big old kiss on the face. Just kidding. Okay, so just for funsies, we set up the dartboard on the, like, what's it called? Blanket ladder.
Yeah, blanket ladder.
But we're gonna maybe put it in the garage because I watched Julia and Hunter's video and they played darts.
That's where you got
I didn't tell you that.
Jeez, I haven't thrown darts in a long time. Gross.
So we'll probably put it in the garage at some point.
Next player.
You're up
But,
next, Weasel.
Yeah, I
got 59 on that one. Loser.
I'm gonna get way better than that, Tate. Oh, okay, there it goes.
Okay. Okay. We just have to make sure we don't do that when you take the darts out. Oh, they really stick in there good.
Hi, Coda, you feeling better? I have to clean all day tomorrow. We still have Christmas birthday presents on the floor. Yeah, you just lay there and relax, honey. Don't mind us. Just relax. Calm your nerves. Oh, so sweet. We're sorry.